What's up guys, my name is Justin. I'm a service writer at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and today's topic is when to replace your brake pads and signs of when your rotors might need to be replaced. So if you're at all concerned about your brake pads, an easy way to check is to actually just get a flashlight, shine it down here on your pads, and take a look to make sure that your brake material is still there and you're not rubbing metal on metal with your rotors. So obviously it's a little bit hard to get in there and check it out. So right here on the left, I've got a set of brand new pads in the caliper, fully fresh here. And then over here, I've got a set of pads that are a lot more worn down. An easy way to see is that on this set here, you've still got some grooves indicating lots of life left in the pads. And on this one, you do not. So once those grooves disappear, you know that's a good sign that you need to get your brake pads changed. In regards to your rotors, if you're riding along and at any point you feel any pulsation in your brake lever or your brake pedal, just give us a call at Trev Deeley or your local Harley-Davidson dealership, book a service appointment and have a certified technician check out your bike, make sure everything's running correctly.